So Bruce and I are just on a little adventure at Hands on Rock. So we're just going to go for a little walk and do this little adventure. Here we go. I've got a lead. So Hands on Rock is in the Wiradjuri Nation, near Ulan, which is near Golong. It's Aboriginal artwork and can't wait to see it. So there's some stuff about it. Walk this way, talk this way. Oh, we've got some information on some plants. There we go. I've got no idea how to pronounce that. Looks like diarrhea, but it must be xanthorrhea. I don't know. Is that right? Bruce is so excited. He just loves it. He loves these little adventures. Oh, no one's taking that. Padlock. That's interesting. 250 metres to go. Oh, if anyone's... These are my bushwalking shoes. Anyway. Oh, look at this. Beautiful firewood. Come on, let's go. Back, back. Bruce, back. Good boy. 100 metres. There's some information on some rock art. Look at this. Beautiful. Unreal. Crazy. I love these caves. It's like a big boulder that's just fallen straight out and down. Look at this. Unreal. That is just cool. Unbelievable. Oh, puffing and panting a bit. There was just a few rocks to navigate over in these awesome trekking shoes. What do you reckon, Brewster? Pretty cool, isn't it? You're puffing a bit too, big boy, eh? And you can see the hands of the Aboriginal people. Here's a family shot. We don't get this often. So he's a good boy, isn't he? Eh? You just one command of sit and boom, he sits. Hey? And then he poses for the camera. Don't you? Hey? Don't you, Brewster? What are you doing? What are you doing? You want to get down there, don't you? Hey? You want to get down there, don't you, big boy? Hey? You're a good boy, aren't you? Hey? You're a good boy. Good boy. Oh well, that ends our trip to the I forget what it's called. On the Hands, I think it was called. It's a nice little adventure. So if you're in the Gulgong, Merriwa area, yeah, stop on by. Check out these caves. Ooh, yeah. See ya. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks to all the support and followers. See you guys.